Okay, hermanos, we are here in Italy, as you guys know. And we're gonna take a look at my KTM EXE 500. I just wanted to, you know, quickly show you guys the bike and show you guys how it sounds as well. Just do some quick runs. And let you guys decide if it was worth getting the akrapovic or not. But we can just start the video with showing the graphics. We got the bold decals on the bike. I wanted to do something very clean, so I decided to have this gray and black graphics with the gray and black plastics. And I'm very happy with how it turned out. To this, I decided to get the motomaster 320mm brake disc and the 50/50 chrome wraps in blue. And to match this blue, it's actually pretty cool. We decided to get blue titanium screws all over here, just drip out the bike, you know. Yeah, we wanted to just drip out the bike completely, so we got the titanium screws. We got this small little angel eye. It's like a BMW headlight. It's called the Lockie's angel eye, so shout out to you, Lockie. We got the carbon fiber from CMT. We got some carbon fiber here on the frame, the ignition, the swing arm, and the mud guard as well. It's pretty dripped out in carbon fiber. Actually, I forgot. We got this carbon fiber here as well. It's pretty sick. We got the Supreme logo here as well. And to match the gray plastics as well, I decided to get this custom Gebel seat cover with the gray ribs on the seat. I think it looks pretty sick. Yeah, let's go. So we're gonna ride the bike now. We're gonna see how it sounds. Enjoy.
Shit. Oh my god, the bike's so fast. Oh my god.
Comments, what do you guys think of the bike build? What do you guys think of the sound? Was it worth getting the Acra? And let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. Until next time, it's been Gebel and I'm out.